Do you know the abbreviation of these words? www, World Wide Web. URL, Uniform Resource Location. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Email, Electronic Mail. Virus, Vital Information Resources under siege. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. GPRS, General Pocket Radio Service. CD, Compact Disc. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. LED, Light Emitting Diode. LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. IP, Internet Protocol. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel.